Welcome to OET Answers.
Your preparation time is over. Now, you can start your speaking role play. Don't worry if I stop you when the time is up.
Good morning, Patricia. I'm Naso Andrew, your nurse for today. How are you feeling this morning?
Good morning, Naso. I'm feeling much better, thank you. But I'm a bit nervous about going home after the surgery.
I completely understand, Patricia. It's perfectly normal to feel a bit anxious about going home after a procedure like this. Transitioning from hospital care to home can be daunting, but I'm here to make sure you feel well prepared and supported. My goal today is to help ease your worries and provide you with all the information you need for a smooth recovery at home. First and foremost, I want to check in with you. How do you feel about the idea of going home today after your glaucoma surgery?
Thank you, Naso. Yes, I'm happy to go home, but I'm anxious about managing everything on my own. Can you tell me what to expect after the surgery?
Absolutely, Patricia. It's important to know what to expect so you can feel more at ease. After glaucoma surgery, it's common to experience some changes in your vision, such as blurriness or fluctuations. These changes can feel unsettling, but they're a normal part of the healing process as your eye adjusts. You might also experience mild discomfort, itching, or a gritty sensation in your eye. While these symptoms can be irritating, they are typical and usually improve as your eye heals. Remember, these are temporary effects, and we have medications to help manage them, ensuring your recovery is as comfortable as possible. I also want to make sure you feel confident about the medications you'll be using after the surgery. You'll be prescribed eye drops to prevent infections and reduce inflammation, which are crucial for your healing process. I'll demonstrate how to use them properly, so you feel at ease when administering them yourself at home. If you experience any discomfort, we also have pain relief options available to help you manage it effectively.
I see. That's a relief to hear, Naso. When can I get back to my normal activities?
I understand that you're eager to return to your regular routine, Patricia. However, it's vital to prioritize your recovery in the weeks following surgery. I recommend avoiding any strenuous activities, particularly those that could put strain on your eyes, such as heavy lifting, bending over, or vigorous exercise. These activities can increase the pressure in your eyes and potentially disrupt the healing process. It's also crucial not to rub your eyes, even if they feel itchy or irritated. Rubbing can aggravate the surgical site and delay healing. Additionally, maintaining good hand hygiene and avoiding touching your eyes will help prevent infections, which is key to a smooth recovery. Along with this, eating a nutritious diet and staying well hydrated will support your overall health, and getting plenty of rest will give your body the energy it needs to heal effectively.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. What about follow-up visits?
Follow-up visits are an essential part of your recovery, Patricia. Typically, you should schedule your first follow-up appointment about a week after surgery, though your doctor may recommend a specific timeline for you. These visits are crucial for monitoring your progress and ensuring that your eye is healing properly. During these appointments, your doctor will examine your eye, assess your vision, and make any necessary adjustments to your care plan. These follow-up visits also provide an opportunity for you to ask any questions or discuss any concerns you might have. It's a chance to get personalized advice and reassurance that your recovery is on track. By attending all of your scheduled follow-ups, you're taking an important step toward a successful recovery and long-term eye health.
I understand. How long will it take for a full recovery?
That's a great question, Patricia, and it's natural to want to know when you can expect to feel fully recovered. The timeline for recovery can vary from person to person, depending on factors like the specifics of your surgery, your overall health, and how quickly your body heals. While it's difficult to give an exact time for AMI, most patients find that it takes several weeks to a few months to fully recover from glaucoma surgery. It might seem like a long time, but it's important to be patient with yourself during this process. Healing is gradual, and taking things slowly can help ensure that you regain your full vision and avoid complications. We're here to support you throughout this time, so please don't hesitate to reach out if you need any help or reassurance. Another important point, Patricia, if you notice any severe pain, sudden changes in your vision, or increased redness or swelling in your eye, it's essential to contact us immediately. These symptoms could indicate a complication that needs prompt attention. By staying in touch with us and reporting any concerns, we can address issues early and help you stay on track for a smooth recovery.
Definitely, I will. Thank you so much for explaining everything to me, Naso.
You're very welcome, Patricia. I'm glad I could help put your mind at ease. Remember, we're here for you throughout your recovery journey, so don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. I wish you a smooth and speedy recovery, and I'm confident that with the right care, you'll be back to your normal activities in no time.
That is the end of your speaking role play. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Kindly comment your suggestions and help us to do better.